laptop at its optimal peak performance can mitigate downtime and keep productivity high. Today, we all work hard so we can play hard and stay in the game. My objective is to be your trusted advisor, and with so many laptop options and technical advances in today's marketplace, I thought it appropriate to start this series by breaking down the different model pricing categories so you're clear in what you can get for the almighty buck. Netbooks are the most explosive category this year, with anticipated sales of 40 million, up from just 14 million a year ago and costing less than $500. These small and lightweight devices with 10-inch displays are designed for surfing the web, email, and other basic computing tasks. Most netbooks are powered by Intel's Atom processor and 1 gig of RAM running on a few operating systems like XP, Linux, and coming soon, Google's new Android OS. Great for college students who do not need demanding power. All manufacturers are in this game, and new product launches typically happen 2 to 3 times per year. Those of us looking for more features than a netbook should step up to the sub-$800 category, where you'll find systems with larger 12 to 15-inch displays, more powerful dual-core processors, and built-in DVD drives, and typically twice as much storage space. The next category is the sub-$1,100 systems, where you will find laptops that emphasize style and portability, but mostly machines that offer faster processors and more memory than budget laptops. The biggest difference is the inclusion of discrete graphics, which is mandatory if you are rendering photos or video clips. In the sub-$1,300 pricing category, there are laptops that provide head-turning design and top-notch performance. You will also find laptops with features like edge-to-edge glass displays, switchable graphics, and premium speaker systems. Weight-reducing composite materials like carbon fiber and 500 gig hard drive and 8 gig RAM capacities. However, you will need a 64-bit operating system to take advantage of any RAM over 3 gig. In the splurge category, from $1,500 to $4,500, there's a suite of laptops available from each manufacturer that would make your mouth water. However, if you were willing to fork over some Benjamins, you can get pulse-pounding gaming rigs with a crunching Core 2 Extreme quad-core processor, 1 gig of NVIDIA or ATI discrete graphics, and dual 500 gig RAID 1 configured drives, to name just a few pieces of performance candy. Also, in this category are ultra portables at 2.8 pounds with carbon fiber bodies, 256 gig solid state drives, aka SSD, 2x recordable Blu-ray drives, viewing on a 11 to 13-inch LED backlit display. Great for road warriors that need performance in a light package. Wow! With so many choices, it's not hard to figure out why so many people are confused and pick up the cheapest laptop they can find just to get her done, only to find out later it really didn't fit their needs at all. Make sure you spend time consulting with an expert who will design a solution around your needs. Give us a call. We're here to provide top-notch performance ideas for all your computing needs. It's been a pleasure, and remember, always keep your laptop at peak performance as we work hard to play hard and stay ahead of the competition. Catch you later. It's time to rock.